Let's go back in time a little bit. The day after our visit to the Kennedy Space Center, we cycled along the Indian River, going further southwards. In the late 19th century, northern tourists started to visit this area, escaping cold winters. From the 1960s, it became a bedroom community for the nearby Kennedy Space Center. The old wooden houses and churches are charming. Check this place out, really good. Great people, nice food. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Here's the name. River Rocks. They've got wahoo fish.
Every evening when the sun goes down, get me my party and I begin to town. I don't care what the people are thinking. I'm not drunk, I'm just a drinking. I set 'em up, another round. I set 'em up.
Hey, shark! What is his name? This is where we camped last night, Sebastian Inlet. It's a really nice park, only RVs though. Everything is built here for RVs, that's why this was our place. I forgot to make a video while the tent was there, but it's enormous, and our tent was right there where my bike is. There. And then there's all the space. It's a bit crazy, you know. So you pay $30 or something, but you know, for a lot of space you actually don't need. But yeah, it's very nice here. It's sorry, am I making you dizzy? Sorry. Yeah, there's a lot of fishermen here, and last night they were all out there, and you could see the sunset. Really pretty. Yeah, it was really nice. So we're going to have a little breakfast there now, because there's a little grill place open from 8 o'clock in the morning. Still haven't been able to get gas, so we're going to just have something to eat. And I might go for a little swim, because there's a tide pool there with where you can snorkel. Another nice cozy spot next to the 7. No bench, so we're kind of picnicking. Meanwhile, this has been coming our direction, so we better get out of here. Cycle, cycle. Psyche, psyche. Oh no. Look at those clouds. Hi, we're at the State Park. We kind of had to go really fast because this huge thunderstorm was coming. The clouds were impressive. Well, I filmed it. Oh, there was something on the left. Did you see that? I think it's pretty important to find shelter when you're cycling and there's thunderstorm.
Oh, over. I'll go swimming.
There's a sports shop. There's one floating. There's a young one. Very small, happily enough. Cycling lane here. Made a nice little picnic place. But the trees have to get a bit bigger. This is an excellent day to do the laundry. Some nice big place here to throw everything on the ground. And put everything in a washing machine, in the dryer. Everything is kind of wet because the tropical heat makes everything wet. This is our site. There are the bikes. And now that will be the tent. You see, that's how little space we use. You know, when you're cycling. But it's made for these, see? RV and a car. Because when you have an RV, you also have to bring a car behind it because it's handy. Sometimes people also have bicycles. But on the west coast you have the special hike and bike sites, which are only $5 each. But here on the east coast, unfortunately, they don't have that yet in the state park, so you have to just get a whole site. Good thing is you have water and electricity. was it. See you next time in Miami. It's like a warm shower.
Okay.